Sarah, you have one ticket on Cushing Street, no parking 8 to 10.
Correct.
You were there, oh no.
Not the 1
I
minute.
literally pulled up
Not the
at
1 minute.
9:58.
Ticket was issued at 9:59.
There's right.
9:59 and 58 seconds. And you can't park there until 10 o'clock. And you violated the city ordinances. These are the city ordinances, Inspector Quinn, that she violated.
That point two will get you every time, Judge.
And our parking enforcement officers are second to none in the country. So what do you want to tell me about this? Taking this wrong path in life.
My car clock said 10.
Oh, now you're blaming the car clock. Oh, see?
I'm sorry, Judge.
She's blaming the clock on her car. Inspector Quinn, what does justice demand in this case? Is this jail?
10 o'clock means 10 o'clock, Judge.
10 o'clock
My
means 10
father
o'clock?
told me that growing up.
Yeah. I think 9:59 is close enough to 10. Matter is dismissed.
Thank you.
Good luck.